Good morning, dignitaries. I am Master Harpreet Sethi. I am from Model English School, Dashmesh Nagar, Shirampur. I have been teaching science since last 5 years. So now, due to pandemic, there have been a big cause and there have been problem for students interacting with teachers as well as teachers to students. So now technology have make it visible to reach the students, to reach teachers to the students and to understand their concepts. It has been a challenge this year, but a support from technology, various forms of videos, it has become an issue. So now due to the pandemic, there have been lots of issue. Now today I am going to represent you is topic of social health. This is chapter in class 10 textbook. This is a hot topic which we are facing nowadays. Now someone has rightly said, if money is lost it can be gained, but if health is lost nothing can be gained. Now a person from door to door are facing many problems. That is nothing but that is pandemic issues. There have been flus like corona, pneumonia, etc. So a sound person should be of a social health. A person is healthy and socially strong only only if it's physical and mentally fit in all respect. So its body appearance and everything is good, even it's mentally fit, nothing else is going in mind. Good health makes a man cheerful, and sometimes it healthy can also fall ill. So whenever a person is sick, but if he's going around or surrounded with good people, he's always fit and healthy, correct? Whereas a person is in the dull atmosphere, is likely to get one or the other disease, and it is trying to be get disease. Person may get diseases like viral fever, malaria, etc. These have been some old diseases, correct? Now nowadays there have been many more diseases in it, correct? Now let us see a power, what a person is a characteristic of good person. Now let us see one by one what a good person characteristics are, or what may be the characteristics of in a person. Should be capability to do work. He must be able to do work properly, daily chorus works. He used to take physical and mental decisions. Whatever the decisions are fixed, he should be able to take it properly on time. The person remain free from any disease. The person does not suffer from mental tension. Now there have been mental stresses, mental tensions, lot of mental tensions nowadays, correct? So that is nothing but there have been tension for students, correct? There have been tensions for farmers, there have been tensions for even businessmen and all have been becoming a challenging. So now what requires for a good health, a person to be a good health, what it requires, we all know a good health is essential for purpose of life. So what all are required? First is nutrition. So nutrition is nothing but what we get from food, correct? Next is exercise. That is the most important part. A person to be healthy is daily fitness, daily exercises, doing yogas, pranayams on time, correct? On top of that, the hard work, the outputs he does, whereas he wants rest. Even the good habits also makes a person fit. Now what are nutrition that we have? So nutritions are nothing but a material, that is nothing but which we get from food materials or food part, that is the nutrition. So that includes some few of the points. Taking rest in time, so that is nothing but a person is always healthy if he takes or he sleeps properly on a regular scheduled time. Eating balanced diet, eating proper foods covering your all your cereals, vegetables, leafy vegetables, correct, crops and all. Should take his bath daily, should keep body clean, and food should be fresh. So that should is nothing but fish, rather we can say avoid uh, out food. So factors affecting the health, so that are nothing but social and economic factor we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss environmental factor, personal factor and hereditary factors. These four we are going to discuss. Now social and economic factor, now a person related to each other, correct? So it is in contact with two or more person in relations and all. That is nothing but all examples of superstition, religious, social belief, that all goes to the things. Nowadays I will give you a good example. what it happens is of superstition. If a person is getting fever or ill, what they are trying to do, they are trying to keep a person at home itself. So he is getting more and more absent minded, proper treatment is not given, and he is becoming more illiterate about this. So that is nothing but absence of proper treatment, care, effect to a disease makes a patient serious. So next point is your environmental factor. Environmental factor plays an important role. That is nothing but how we are surrounded, with what number of positive persons are surrounded. If there are a persons positive surrounded all around us, yes, we can do it, yes, we will do it. So that is nothing but that are positive. Internal and external. Internal means which we come to note, which are with our contact with each other, correct. External means which are not with our touch, but we are depend upon it. Now if our friend or if our relative don't come on time, but we are depend upon it, that leads to your external factor. Now personal factor is nothing but examples are given: eating, sleeping, tension, refresh, taking regular exercise can make a healthy person. So these are the basic habits now in this pandemic which should be followed, that is sleeping, tension, refreshing to be refreshed from the things. Next is your hereditary factor. Hereditary factor यानी कि some disease like diabetes, blood pressures वगैरह etc. which come from one generation to another. That is nothing but from parents to offsprings they are transferred. That also caused a hereditary factor, and the same problem is listed in it. Now deficiency disease. Deficiency disease is nothing but disease which are caused due to lack or something is not present in our body. That is said to be your deficiency disease. So that is nothing but some part of foodstuff, some vitamins, some minerals which are not taken on a part, that are said to be a deficiency disease. So some part of this scientifically mentioned, that is nothing but protein. Disease called as Kawasaki and marasmus, dull look, dry and rough skin. That is nothing but from where the sources are rice, idli, potato, honey, etc. Carbohydrates, that is nothing but same case we look, dull look and all these things can be gained from this thing. This is the just an example justification to show you. So there are vitamins and what deficiency, this we are learning from our childhood days. Even students are having in the 5th, 6th standard. A, night blindness. B, beriberi, that is nothing but leading to your what you can say throat problems. B, to cracking of skins, your skin becomes anemia, that is also a scheme. Scurvy, looking dull look, rickets, correct, hemorrhages, sterility, that's all are due to lack of vitamin. Now this is a thing we have discussed. Now we have discussed what problems we are facing, what this theory. Now we are used to a person's adversity skills. A skilled person is nothing but a person is skillful. That is nothing but if he is influenced or he is able to fight with that disease. He is healthy enough to fight with that disease. So there are many events which makes even to us attention. 2-3 examples are discussed with you: fire, car accident, natural disaster like what we can say earthquake and all. This all is leading to a big disaster loss. Even now natural disaster, best example is Mumbai. So that all is leading to that things. Now influence on our health. So this is nothing but it is leading to our hereditary, environment, attitude, behavior and all. Let us see one by one. Hereditary is nothing but as discussed which is transformed from one part to another. एक से दूसरे के लिए ट्रांसफर होता है, that is your hereditary, correct. That should be maintained properly. Environmental issues यानी कि what air, what water, what surrounding we are living, what things we are doing, that plays an important role in it, correct. Environmental issues, your socially should be quite strong. Social influence, culture and tradition should be stronger. Proper food staples, keeping cleanliness, hygienes and all, that is for most important. Attitude and behavior influence includes how you behave, how you talk, how you interact. That plays an important role. How positive you are, that is an important role. Now next is your media influence. How you come across the news, how you come across, even the nowadays Indian media is destroying the everything, correct. They are with the bad rumors, they are with the bad virtues. So we must stay away far from it. So technology influences यानी कि what we see on our social sites, WhatsApp वगैरह, this is playing a lot of role. Technology influence and media influence. So that too plays an important role so on it. So I have written a last line. We should take care of health so that we can be healthy. As we take care, we will be healthy. Otherwise, won't be healthy. So health is important. We will be a responsible citizen for India. Thank you.